Do you want to cook the best chicken tikka masala of your life? Because we're going to fly to London to find the best chicken tikka masala restaurant in the world and find out how they make it so dang delicious. That green chili finish that I've been addicted to. Then we're going to steal all their sauce secrets and work on making our own perfect chicken tikka skewer so that by the end of this journey, you and I will be making the most delicious chicken tikka masala you've ever tasted. So hit that subscribe button and let's go find out what the is chicken tikka masala anyway. This is my auntie Nagila. She's going to show us how to make a simple chicken tikka masala sauce with her one-pot shreds-all cooking robot. To start off this curry, we're going to cook some onions in oil until they're translucent, and then add equal parts of ginger and garlic, followed by our spices. Then we drop in the all-important tomato flavor, delivered through tomato paste, and in this case, canned tomatoes. And we have our tomato base. To make this chicken tikka masala, we need to combine it with a creamy base. She does it with creme fraiche and cashews. Once all that's blended up, we are left with a deliciously creamy but tangy chicken tikka masala sauce. Mix that up with some chicken tikka, or pieces of chicken, and we have a simple yet scrumptious chicken tikka masala. Thanks, Auntie Nagila. Now that we know that chicken tikka masala is a creamy tomato-based curry with chicken bites, let's head into London and start searching for the best chicken tikka masala restaurants. Our first neighborhood is central London's Drummond Street, known as the original Little India. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is Taste of India. Oh, that's delicious. Nice and sweet, spicy. I love the green chili taste in there. Fresh green chilies, maybe even charred a little bit. That adds a nice element. It kind of tastes a little bit like tomato soup, isn't it? Like Campbell's tomato soup. Hi, yeah, there actually might be a good reason why this tasted like Campbell's tomato soup. The first chicken tikka masala was invented in Glasgow, Scotland, when a customer sent back his chicken tikka for being a little bit too dry. We've all had that before. It sucks, right? So the chef took it back, mixed it up with some spices, grabbed a can of tomato soup, and then mixed it with a little cream, right? Because they can't handle the spice, right? Now, I'm not saying that this is the origin story. This is how it was invented. There are a lot of competing, whatever. But it would be pretty funny if England's national dish, a dish that is on every single Indian restaurant's menu across the Western world, was actually invented by a Pakistani man in Scotland. That'd be kind of fun, right? That'd be kind of fun. Anyway, I give this a 6.7. It was a little bit too sweet. That Campbell's tomato flavor didn't give me that deep tomato umami flavor that I'm looking for. And that green chili, ooh, at the end, that green chili finish, I'm going every time. Yeah, let's head over to Raj Do, which was voted Central London's best Indian restaurant in 2021. This is the only place where we're straying from the typical chicken tikka masala recipe and going for a coconut version, just to see what it's all about. I'm excited because I love me some coconut. Hi. Yeah. Sorry, I know I just left. Okay, when I ordered this dish, the server looked at me in my eyes and told me, "Do not get this dish. You will not like it." Pro tip, real quick, pro tip. When a server tells you not to get something, do not get it. Anyway, I got it. Complete shit. I got about a 3.7. No positive notes. Next, our final stop before we leave this hellscape that is central London is the UK's oldest North Indian restaurant. Their recipe is from 1973, and I don't think they need to change it. This chicken tikka masala has that green chili finish that I really love. This one's not delicious flavor. It was spicy and not too sweet, thick but not heavy, and a really deep tomato flavor. I'm going to go ahead and give this a 9.2. I am completely satisfied and craving more, but we still haven't found our perfect chicken tikka masala. So let's head east and see if Brick Lane knows what's up.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Hi, yeah. No, he won't leave, right? Real quick, Brick Lane.
Super cool neighborhood. Really, really cool. Home to the largest Bangladeshi population in all of London. Chicken Tikka Masala ain't it. Okay. I went to 2 separate places, both previously being awarded the best Indian restaurant in Brick Lane. And Chicken Tikka Masala ain't it. Okay. Maybe they do other stuff really, really well. I did learn a valuable lesson though. It's really important to balance the tomato with cream. They both had this like tangy kind of flavor that, it wasn't like the deep umami tomato. It was like a light tang flavor, and then not enough cream. Anyway, let's see what Western London has to say about this. We are in West London South Hall, home to the largest population of Punjabis outside of India. I had to get a real English experience with a pint and a curry, but across town, a little bit out of the mix, is a little hole in the wall that made both the Londonist and Eaters top Indian restaurants in London. Let's see how their Chicken Tikka Masala stacks up against our current frontrunner, Punjab Indian restaurant. We've got a winner, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking a perfect 9.8. We can't give it a 10 because we have to get the 10, okay? But this had all the elements of a great Chicken Tikka Masala. It was perfectly spiced. It had that great, deep umami flavor from the tomato, balanced out really well by a thick cream that wasn't too heavy in the stomach, It was spicy and it was sweet, but not too sweet, and it had that green chili finish that I've been addicted to. What kind of set this apart, kind of upped the game a little bit, was that there was this smoky flavor in the chicken. Really, really nice. Hey, Shazad, you think you might be able to get us in the kitchen? See how they make it?
Yes. Yep.
This is Gurjeet.
How do I spell that?
Gurjit. Please thank on my page. Yeah. Very excited.
She's the chef here, most known for cooking the best dal makhni in London. She and the restaurant have been featured on numerous top lists from Eater to the Londonist, and is a perennial finalist or winner of almost any South Asian restaurant award given out across England in the past 8 years. The restaurant is not just critically acclaimed, it's also the People's Champ. Voted the #1 Indian restaurant on TripAdvisor, she's a one-woman wrecking crew in this kitchen with a small cheering section when she needs it. So, with all these accolades, it begs the question, Gurjeet, what's in the sauce?